the XKR. It's a lovely, lovely car. I mean, the car looks amazing. Some things you should know. As far as the service arrangements go on this vehicle, you notice I've taken off the tops here to have a look inside the cooling system. The cooling system, unfortunately, is filled with bits. Now, if you bear with me a second, when I say bits, it's in need of flushing out. The whole system needs to be flushed out. I don't know if you can make that out from here, but the coolant is old and it's not been changed for a very long time, regardless of what any sheets say, and unfortunately it only gives you protection down to -15, which is not that much considering wind chill. It needs to be at least -40. So the cooling system needs flushing and changing for G12. As far as the engine oil goes, that's not good. I know people say, oh, but it's golden brown. It's actually, unfortunately, very dirty. And again, regardless of what's said, the oil needs changed quite quickly if it was a car that you were keeping. The same applies to other service items. It hasn't been looked at for a number of years, and if we were to remove the power steering head, watch the dirt underneath, which means it hasn't been properly serviced. So there's the fluid, but look at the dirt around the head unit here. This is not good, which means it hasn't been properly serviced, wiped and cleaned for a very long time. And that would accord with the filter as well from underneath from the earlier video. It's old and rusty. The other thing, sadly, although it looks wonderful, the radiator is going to need to be changed, because underneath this cowl here, I'm looking from the underside, the top of the radiator is corroded and will cause a problem. The auxiliary drive belts and the drive belts, which are here, are cracked and old and need to be changed, which is a substantial job, and will cost the owner of this vehicle quite a lot of money to do.